Hi, and welcome back to Musicians Edition Flute Practice with me. I'm your teacher, Risa, and today we're working on something a little different, but I feel like it's time. It's time to do harmonics. Now, what is the purpose of harmonics? Harmonics is going to help us control our air for different registers, and this is really going to help you nail those higher registers, because remember last week we were playing really high? So harmonics are going to help with that. All right, so the notes we're going to be playing with harmonics by using the fingering of the low C is, of course, low C, mid C, so we're going to just hit an octave, G, high C, E, and high G. If you're reading music that has harmonics marked in it, you're going to see the open circle above the note, like you see here. That is telling us to use the low C fingering, play it as the harmonic. So it's all by airspeed. So, how do we even do harmonics? First, we're going to start with low C. And I know that note is tricky, but really try to get it out. And just heads up, if you haven't had your flute serviced in a while and you're really struggling to get it out, there might be something going on down here. A lot of times the two keys, well, I have three keys because this is the intermediate flute, but if you took, say, one of our student flutes, right, when you hit these keys down, sometimes those keys don't go down at the same time. So that would result in not getting a sound. So if you've tried everything, it might be time to take your flute in. Okay, moving on. We're starting with low C. Now we need to change the note, but only with the speed of our air. Go ahead and give that a try, just from those two. It can be tricky at first. The thing is, we're still going to continue on. So, now, so go ahead and give it a try. Great. We're still going to keep going up though, all right? So now, try giving it, playing all those notes. Great. Once again, I know it can be challenging, but this is an exercise you're going to want to start doing a little bit more, so start putting this into your practice routine. All right, we're still going to go up from there. Go ahead and give all that a try. Great. And now we're still going to go up. We're going to play all the way up to the high G. That one can be particularly hard. So what my flute teacher used to have me do, because I used to just try blowing and blowing, and I'd hit it, but it wasn't in control, nor was it a good solid sound. She would have me play high G on its own, with the actual high G fingerings, get the feel for it, and then switch over to that low C fingering. you can get the feel a lot more of where the air needs to be and how your embouchure needs to be, and you just get a feel of where you're supposed to be. So go ahead and start from that low C, working all your way up to as high as you can, trying to hit that high G. Excellent job. Okay, so that's what I want us to start practicing with, is just that simple harmonics. Okay, just take some time, play it out kind of like the way we did. Nice, slow, hold it out, speed it up. It'll also help tremendously too if you pull out your tuner and play along with your tuner so you can see where you are, in tune as you play, because these are actual notes. And if you want even more practice on this, I highly recommend the Trevor Y book for harmonics. All right? But anyway, I wanted us to start putting this into our practice sessions, or your practice session more of, so you can really start getting your ranges hit with solid tone. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know down in the comments. While you're down there, don't forget to hit like, notify, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our practices. Thanks for joining, and until next time.